What if life could thrive in a places we never thought possible? And no, we are not talking about our messy room. Imagine a world where the very air we breathe is toxic, kind of like rush hour traffic, right? Picture a planet bathed in radiation, its surface seemingly barren and inhospitable. Sounds like a bad vacation spot? Could life exist in these extreme environments? Spoiler alert, it just might. The answer might surprise you. And no, it's not aliens. Yet, we often think of life as we know it. We picture lush forests, teeming oceans, and creatures that require oxygen to survive. You know, the usual suspects. But what if life has found a way to adapt to conditions far more extreme than we ever imagined? Like surviving a family reunion. What if, somewhere out there is a vast expanse of the cosmos? Life is not just surviving but thriving, in places we once considered uninhabitable. Talk about extreme living. This is not science fiction? Well, maybe a little bit. This is the captivating realm of astrobiology, a field that pushes the boundaries of our understanding of life itself and makes us question our own life choices. Astrobiologists are on a quest to answer one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Or is there a cosmic body we are missing out on? Astrobiology is the study of life in the universe. You could say it's out of this world. It's a multidisciplinary field, drawing on insights from astronomy, biology, chemistry, geology, and planetary science. It's like the Avengers, but with lab coats. Astrobiology seeks to understand the origins, evolution, and distribution of life, not just on Earth but potentially beyond. Talk about having an universal perspective. Think of astrobiology as a cosmic detective story. Sherlock Holmes, eat your heart out. We have clues scattered across the universe, the chemical fingerprints of life in distant nebulae. It's like CSI Space Edition. The evidence of past water on Mars, the original water cooler. The tantalizing possibility of subsurface ocean on icy moons. Who knew space could be so chill? Astrobiologists piece together these clues, searching for answers to the fundamental question about life itself. It's like putting together a cosmic jigsaw puzzle. One of the most exciting aspects of astrobiology is the study of extremophiles. These guys are the ultimate survivalists. This remarkable organism thrive in conditions that would be lethal to most life forms on Earth. Talk about life living on the edge. They offer a glimpse into the extraordinary resilience of life and provide clues about the potential for a life in the universe. If they can make it, maybe we can too. Extremophiles are Earth's ultimate survivors. You could say they are the superheroes of the microbial world. They inhabit environments that seem too harsh for life as we know it, scorching, hot springs, acidic lakes. Basically, they love the places we would avoid on vacation. The crushing depths of the ocean floor talk about deep sea diving. These organisms challenges our definition of what it means to be alive. They are like the ultimate game of survivor. Take for example the tardigrade, a microscopic animal that can withstand extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. It's like the Chuck Norris of the microworld, and even the vacuum of space. Move over astronauts, or consider the bacteria that thrive in the boiling hot spring of Yellowstone National Park. They're still adapting to temperatures that would cook most organisms. They are basically having a spa day. Their cells adapting to temperatures that would cook most organisms. Talk about hot stuff? These extreme fields demonstrate that life is incredibly adaptable. They are like the MacGyvers of the natural world. They provide a powerful reminder that our planet is home to an astonishing diversity of life, much of it hidden from our everyday view. It's like a secret party we didn't know about. Much of it hidden from our everyday view. Who knew microbes could be so mysterious? But their significance extends far beyond Earth. Maybe one day they will be the first to colonize Mars. Move over, Elon Musk. Deep beneath the ocean surface, far from the reach of sunlight, lie hydrothermal vents. Why did the fish blush? Because it saw the ocean's bottom. These fissures in the Earth's crust spew superheated water, rich in chemicals and minerals. It's like the ocean's version of a hot tub body. It's an environment that seems utterly alien, yet it teems with life. Giant tube worms, blonde shrimp, and bizarre fish thrive in the extreme ecosystem. Talk about a deep sea transporter. They have adapted to the intense pressure, the lack of sunlight, and the toxic chemicals that would be deadly to most other forms of life. Guess they really know how to handle the pressure. The discovery of life at hydrothermal vents revolutionized our understanding of where life might exist. Who knew the ocean has so many secrets? Hydrothermal vents offer a glimpse into what life might be like on other worlds. Maybe aliens are just really good swimmers. Scientists believe that similar vents could exist on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, potentially harboring life in their hidden oceans. Imagine finding a fish with a space helmet. Section 5. Acidic lakes. A surprisingly hospitable environment. Not all extreme environments are hidden beneath the ocean's surface. Some are right under our noses, or should I say right under our feet. Acidic lakes with pH levels that would burn human skin are another example of life's intensity. Talk about a spa day gone wrong. These lakes, often found near volcanic areas, are home to a surprising array of organisms. It's like the ultimate extreme sports for microbes. Acidophilic bacteria and archaea thrive in these acidic waters. Their cellular machinery adapted to withstand the harsh conditions. They must have some serious survival skills. They have been found in lakes so acidic that they resemble battery acid. Imagine trying to swim in that. These organisms demonstrate that life can exist even in the most unlikely of place. If they can make it there, they can make it anywhere. The discovery of life in acidic lakes has expanded our search for life beyond Earth. Who knew microbes were such adventurers? Scientists now consider the possibility that the similar environments on other planets, such as the sulfur-rich plains of Venus, could potentially harbor life. Venus, the next hot vacation spot for bacteria. Section 6. The frozen frontiers. Life in polar regions. The icy landscapes of Earth's polar region might seem barren and lifeless, but they have a chilling sense of humor. They are home to a surprising diversity of extremophiles. You could say they really know how to break the ice. Microorganisms thrive in the frigid waters beneath the ice, proving that even in the coldest places, life finds a way to chill out. Their cells adapted to temperatures that would freeze most other life forms. Talk about having a cool attitude. These psychophilic organisms have evolved unique strategies for survival. They must have some ice cold tricks up their sleeves. Some produce antifreeze proteins that prevent ice crystals from forming in their cells. It's like having a built-in ice scraper. Others have adapted to slow metabolic rates, conserving energy in the extreme cold. They really know how to chill out and take it slow. The ability of life to thrive in Earth's polar regions has significant implications for the search for life beyond Earth. Maybe aliens are just really good at playing it cool. Icy moons like Europa and Enceladus, with their subsurface oceans, could potentially harbor similar form of life. Who knows? Maybe they are having a snowball fight right now. 67. Europa, an icy moon with a hidden ocean. Jupiter's moon Europa is a tantalizing target in the search for extraterrestrial life. And no, it's not just because it's the coolest moon around. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast, salty ocean, potentially containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Talk about a moon with a serious case of ocean envy. This hidden ocean is thought to be heated by a tidal force from Jupiter, creating conditions that could be suitable for life. It's like a cosmic hot tub party under all that ice. While the surface of Europa is bombarded by radiation from Jupiter, its icy shell acts as a protective shield, potentially sheltering life in the ocean below. Who knew ice could be such a great bodyguard? Scientists believe that the hydrothermal vents, similar to those found on Earth, could exist on Europa's ocean floor, providing energy for life. Imagine the underwater wave happening down there. The possibility of life on Europa is so compelling that NASA is planning a mission, the Europa Clipper, to study this icy moon in detail. Because who wouldn't want to visit the ultimate palace? The spacecraft will fly by Europa multiple times, analyzing its surface and searching for evidence of plumes of water vapor that may erupt from its ocean. Let's hope it doesn't get too steamed up about it. Section 8. Mars. The red planet's potential for life. Mars has long captivated our imaginations as a potential abode for life, and let's be honest, who wouldn't want a Martian pen pal? While the red planet appears dry and dusty today, evidence suggests that it was once a much warmer and wetter place with rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. So, Mars was basically the ultimate vacation spot a few billion years ago. Although liquid water is scarce on the Martian surface today, it exists as ice at the poles and is thought to be present as groundwater below the surface. So, if you ever visit, don't forget your ice pick. Scientists believe that ancient Mars could have been habitable, and some even speculate that life may still exist in protected niches below the surface. Maybe Martians are just really good at playing hide and seek. The search for life on Mars is ongoing because who wouldn't want to find a Martian roommate? NASA's Perseverance rover is currently exploring the Jezero crater, a site that was once a lake, searching for signs of past life and collecting samples and that will be returned to Earth for analysis. Let's hope it doesn't bring back Martian sovereigns that bite. 69. Searching for life, missions and technologies. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most ambitious scientific endeavors of our time, and no, we are not just looking for little green men. It requires cutting-edge technologies and international collaboration because, let's face it, space is too big for just one country to handle. From telescopes that can analyze the atmosphere of distant planets and maybe even spot an alien barbecue, to rovers that can drill into the Martian surface, looking for Martian coffee beans. We are developing the tools we need to find life elsewhere. Because who wouldn't want to meet their interstellar neighbors? Future missions such as the Europa Clipper, which is not a new brand of scissor, and the Mars sample return mission. Because bringing back Martian souvenirs is all the rage, will play a crucial role in the search. The missions will provide unprecedented data about the intriguing worlds, and maybe even some cool vacation spots, bringing us closer to answering the question of whether we are alone in the universe. Spoiler alert, the universe is pretty big. In addition to these missions, scientists are developing new technologies to aid in the search for life. Because who doesn't love a good gadget? These include instruments that can detect biomarkers, the cosmic equivalent of a "hello, I'm here" sign, the chemical signature of life, the atmospheres of exoplanets, because who knows what's cooking out there, and sensors that can analyze the compositions of Martian soil for signs of past or present life. Because let's be honest, we all want to know if Mars had better soil for gardening. Section 10. The profound implications of finding extraterrestrial life. The discovery of life beyond Earth, even microbial life, would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. And let's be honest, it would also give us a great excuse to finally use all the alien inventions, movies as training videos. It would fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the universe and raise profound philosophical, ethical, and theological questions. Plus, we would have to update all our science textbooks again. Imagine the impact on our society if we knew that we were not alone, that life had arisen independently on another world. Just think of the interplanetary social media trends. It would spark a new era of scientific exploration as we strive to understand the nature of the extraterrestrial life and its place in the grand scheme of things. And who knows, maybe we will finally get some new pen pals. The search for life beyond Earth is ultimately a search for ourselves, or at least search for someone else to blame for crop circles. It is a quest to understand the origins of life, the conditions that give rise to it, and the incredible diversity of life that may exist in the universe. And let's face it, we could all use a little more diversity in our tiny conversations. Section 11. Join the quest. What will we discover? The search for life beyond Earth is a journey of discovery, and it's just beginning. We are on the cusp of a new era of exploration, armed with the knowledge and the tools to search for life in the universe as never before. What will we find? Maybe Martians who are just as curious about us as we are about them? Will it be microbial life on Mars, or in the hidden ocean of icy moons? Or perhaps we will discover that Martian microbes have a better social media presence than we do? Or we will find something even more extraordinary, something that challenges our very definition of life, like aliens who have already figured out how to make the perfect cup of coffee. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. The quest to answer this question is one that belongs to all of us. And who knows, maybe we'll find out that aliens have been binge watching our TV shows all along. So I ask you, what do you think we might find as we continue to explore the universe and search for life beyond Earth? Maybe a cosmic neighbor who finally explains the mystery of missing socks?